How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 71 Camaro Z28 Tribute. Super nice car, rock solid, original panel car. They did a steel cowl hood on it, done in a very nice Tuxedo Black with the white stripes. Bumpers have all been replaced. Tell you, I really like the chin spoiler on these cars. Just tough looking car. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. Got the short spoiler on it. Really nice. I really like the short spoiler on these cars rather than the tall. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got your American Racing torque thrust wheels. It's got four-wheel power disc brakes on it. It's got a nice little 350, nothing real radical, just a very nice cruiser. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. It's all detailed real nice under the hood. The suspension's been gone through in this car. It's got the heavy duty radiator. It's got 350 turbo trans. Got posi rear. Dual Flowmaster exhaust all the way out the back. See the jams, everything are real nice. Interior in the car's been all redone. Very nice. Headliner's real tight and nice. Got your B&M shifter. It's got tilt wheel. All inside the trunk's nice. Real solid car. All the original panels. Dash all looks real nice. Got your retro stereo system. Tell you, and for black, this car is super straight down the sides, very slick paint on it. It was done about 5 years ago. Looks like we had a headlight bulb out there. We'll have to check that out. Tell you, just a tough looking car. Sounds good. Backup lights everything working. It's just a real nice cruising driving car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan.